Today was a day of bulls. In our opening itself, we had shared in our telegram. If anybody are there in our telegram or anybody who are our subscribers, we had given, I think, one call of 32,700 by around 10 o'clock or by around 9:30. Initially we gave a put and then we said please exit. We are looking at bulls today. So we said 32,700 by above 450 and possible target we said around 500, 555. We were so confident that we told them move the SL to cost and wait for 660. Over a period of time, I said we are confident on 700, 590 done, next 700, and in fact we were holding one long and waiting for the market to hit 700. In fact, this particular call went almost, I think, 900 levels. So the profit which could have been made was exorbitant. In fact, by 9:52, we had shared. We asked our viewers, are we expecting 33,700 today or expiry? In fact, yesterday also in our video, I think we spoke about when we spoke about Nifty, we had shared this chart. If you see, this was the charts which we shared yesterday, and our target was somewhere close to 15,700 levels. And then we also made a small dip, saying that it went come down after that. Market almost touched the same levels, just shied away from 20-25 points. And then the closing hour was slightly lower. So are we bullish? Are we bearish? Honestly speaking, many people lost money today. Whoever were not patient today would have definitely, lot of people exited at these levels and missed a great opportunity. Can you imagine 32,700 which I am speaking about went from 430, which was our buy, and went to almost about 900 levels. It's a huge rally. So patience is something which is needed in the market. Just with one lot you could have made close to 8,000 rupees. Here one of our investors, let me show you the capital and the investment and the profit made. The capital was around 11,000 rupees. The profit which was made, with you can see the capital here, the profit made was around 5,900. If you see, this is the capital. Our net available margin is 11,000. Profit is 5,000. And if you see 32,700, it was close around the 700, went another 200 points. So easily another 3-4,000 rupees profit could have been made in this. Now what is there for tomorrow is something which I'm sure everybody are keen. This is the type of market we should never miss. Market gives, there's a saying in Hindi, भगवान जब देता है छप्पड़ फाड़ के देता है. This is what happened today. The first 15 minutes market showed as if it is going to cover the gap, and then the next 15 minutes, almost about an hour, there's a huge rally from 15,444. Nifty moved straight up to 15,580 levels, and there's slight consolidation, and then again a big up move. In the last I think about 1 hour there was a slight down move. Let's look at the open interest of Bank Nifty and Nifty, which will probably give us a slight idea. There's a strong call rating at 33,500, and this I think let me see if there is any changes. OI change, yes, there is a slight OI change here. The additions, there are additions in 33,500. There are additions in 33,000 put, and also there was a slight addition I think in 33,200. If you see for Bank Nifty spot 33,580. This in fact this I think chart we had drawn about 2 days back. We mentioned that market can go slightly down 32,700 and then move, retrace, and this was the target 33,570, which exactly completed within about 2-3 days. So if anybody is keen to understand how we draw this, how we analyze and give this kind of a target with almost 70 to 80%, I cannot say that we are 100% accurate. We are almost accurate. We had also shared our view on US oil also earlier, where I think market sorry, this is yes. So this is a view. I think you all remember this 124 then down. So currently market is slightly somewhere here. Yesterday I think somebody asked me, I said there is a chance that US oil can retrace up and then come straight down. Our final target we have mentioned is somewhere close to 93 levels. So this is what we are training our mentors. We have basic to advanced. In advanced, it's a mentorship program for 6 months, because the training program consists of lot of modules or lot of material to understand the market structure, how to trade with volumes, how to understand Wi-Fi's traders, and the prediction for the next day. Tomorrow we are slightly bullish. We are expecting market would be again slightly on the up move as per the open interest and other analysis. As we mentioned, the Bank Nifty here, if you see 33,000 puts heavy writing, 33,200 call has been written quite heavily. So this can become a resistance zone. However, if the market opens with a gap, the next level of resistance becomes 33,500. So let's look at the Bank Nifty spot chart for tomorrow. Uh, for me, I think uh, now there is, if you look at the hourly chart, if you look at the chart here, there seems to be a strong resistance somewhere close to 33,900. And if you see market exact has not touched that, of course, but slightly penetrated and then came down, closed at 33,149. For me tomorrow, the important levels I think I would want to watch is 33,300. Above this, I would possibly look for longs for a target of 33,000. 800, 33,700 to 800 levels. Yeah, give me 1 second, please. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, I would request I see a good strong support here at 33,140 and 33,200 to 260 levels. But this could be also a no trade zone for me. A particular zone from 33,280, 33,100 market, if it opens somewhere here, I would not look for any trades. However, still if you ask me, I would slightly look to go long once price stays above 33 to 30 for a target, as I mentioned, 33,700, and the next level of target I expect is somewhere 34,400. On the lower side, it's very simple. I would look to short, or I would be slightly bearish below 33,150. My first target would be somewhere at 32,990, and then the next level of target I would be 32,681. But currently these are the levels which I am sharing. But however, I would request to join our Telegram, because I would, on the live market hours, I would be sharing the live updates here. So thereby you can look at those and go for a uniform decision. I'm looking at the questions asked here. Up to which level market may touch in the coming days? So as I mentioned, I think for intraday, these are the levels which I have shared. If you ask me the levels which I expect market to move, and I think this is what I feel, slight consolidation and then up. So price for me, I am still bullish. uh, Mostly every level looks for a buy for me at the moment, but this is again not a bullish market. It is definitely still a bearish with a strong short covering rally. Let's look at levels for Nifty tomorrow. uh, Open interest has now is not, PCR is not now, is neither oversold or overbought. It is pretty well biased here. Maximum pains seems to be 33,200 at the moment in terms of bank nifty, and the spot level at this moment is 33,190. So market possibly, as per present OI, open interest, market will try to close much below 3300 levels as per the maximum pain data. Let's look at Nifty. Open interest of Nifty now, if you see, there is quite a bit of put writers joining in here. Strong put writing at 15,000, 15,200, 15,600 as well, and 15,700 call writing, and the next high call writing is 16,000. So now slightly the market is in a confused state because both sides writing is made. PCR again is one, neither oversold or overbought again. So maximum pain here says 15,600, and spot level is 15,638. At 15,500, call writing is increased today. I think there is a huge change in call writing. Most of this call writers would have moved from 15,400 to 15,500 as a moment. This is the Nifty chart. For me tomorrow again Nifty looks very bullish. I would look for I would expect market to slightly possibly retrace. If it opens down, it may try to retrace at 15,610. However, market can take support here and then stops an upward journey. Next level of target for the moment I see is 15,888. So this is the target at the moment which I see. However, tomorrow market can change anytime. Banks which supported was HDFC and I think SBI. HDFC Bank from 1,326.28 made a high of 1,354, and then there was a slight retracement in HDFC Bank. As per my view, HDFC again can retrace a bit, 13,326, and then a big sharp up move can be expected. We had I think shared a couple of stocks yesterday. Sun TV, Adani Enterprise, in hotels, Apollo Tires, SBI Card, Godrej Properties, LIC, Housing, Amarraj Batteries, Canara Bank, and other couple of stocks which we had mentioned yesterday. So we will probably look at SBI Cards, how it has performed today. SBI cards opened somewhere close to 680 levels and made a nice rally up to 726. We still see a big rally coming up in this particular stock. Sectors to be watched tomorrow, I feel, are auto and Nifty IT and pharma. Pharma seems to be sustaining the rally. So one may possibly look at Arbindo if it sustains. Then we have FMCG sector also, which seems to be holding good. I am expecting a good big move in FMCG as well. If you look at the charts, it is maintaining this support and trend looks pretty upward biased. If you look at Nifty IT also, huge fall and then kind of a big move is seen here. Looks like investment level of 270. So thank you for your time for live